How to use expressive animation in messages on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Messages app. After click on Message app, click on this profile icon. Scroll down to and click on Messages settings. Now in Messages settings, you will see make sure turn on show animation expressive, so turn on this button. After turn on show expressive animation, go back and click on open conversation, and for example and you will see animation is you will see, for example, congratulations. You will see. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can use expressive animation in messages on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.